With your Office 365 account comes OneDrive and the ability to store and share your files online. Sharing is pretty easy. We're going to walk through the process together here. I am logged into my Office 365 account already. In the upper left hand corner I have what's called the App Launcher. The App Launcher lets you jump from one different application to another. I'm going to click on the App Launcher and I'm going to go to OneDrive. When OneDrive opens, you're going to see in my Documents folder I have many different folders already that I have set up. I also have individual files and things like that. We're going to work on creating a new file and then sharing that file. And we'll also look at folders here a little bit later. To create a new file, I click on the New button. Here you can see this is where I can create a new folder to help with my organization. I have options of different file types here. I'm going to choose Word document. When I choose a Word document, it's going to open to the online version of Word. You can see at the top here, it is called it document because it doesn't know what you want to call it yet. And it's in the saved mode. It will automatically save while you're in the online version. If I want to change the name of this document, I click on the word there and I can call it test document and hit enter. And when I do, you can see now it is saved and it is saved as that name. I'm free to work in my sheet on the bottom here, but when you want to share this, to the right side here in the upper right there is a share button, and I'm going to click on that share button, and this gives you a chance to share it with specific people or a group of people. So in this case it's saying anyone with the link can edit, and I can start to share. So I can put in the email addresses of people in our district. So I'll share here, and I will share here. I can have the option right now, it says to edit. If I click this, I can say I can uncheck the allow editing so they can view only. Most of the time though, when you're doing something like this, you're going to be wanting to share with them so that you can collaborate on the document together. So I'm going to go ahead and send this. The two people that I shared with will receive an email in their inbox, and they will be able to work with it that way. And now the document has been shared with them. To show you a little bit about where you would come to these, if you're the person that is being shared with, I've gone back to my OneDrive folder here, and on the left hand side there is a shared with me section. If you click on that, this will show you any file that has been shared with you. These are not files that you've created, they are files that someone else has shared with you. And that's where the people that you share with could find access as well.